The Nissan Altima's infotainment system, found in models from 2013 onwards, handles navigation, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics. Issues like freezing, unresponsiveness, or audio glitches often require a reset. There are two main types of resets: soft reset and hard reset. Soft resets are quick restarts that clear temporary memory, typically resolving minor glitches. Hard resets restore the system to its default settings, erasing all user data like paired devices and presets. Access a hard reset through Settings, System, Factory Reset. Always back up important data before performing a hard reset. Regularly check for over-the-air software updates, as these updates often fix bugs and improve system stability, potentially reducing the need for manual resets. If your Nissan Altima's infotainment screen is unresponsive or has display issues, start by ensuring the system is up to date with the latest software. For screen flickering, potentially caused by aftermarket accessories, consult a dealership for diagnostics. For general display issues, attempt a power cycle by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. Remember to consult your vehicle's owner's manual for model-specific instructions, as reset procedures can vary between model years. If problems persist, seek professional service from a qualified technician to rule out underlying hardware faults. Resets primarily address software issues. Persistent problems may indicate deeper electrical or hardware problems.